Affiliate marketing tips that everyone should read. Affiliate marketing is a very popular work from home opportunity out there, and millions of people attempt to push products for companies every year. Many will experience success, but many more will experience failure. Find out how you can avoid becoming a mere statistic by watching the advice offered in this video. Signing on with a pay-per-sale affiliate marketing plan is risky, but it can pay off. When you have a PPS affiliate, you will only be paid if advertising on your site induces a visitor to make a purchase from the advertiser. This is a rare occurrence. When it does happen, though, the payout can be considerable, possibly even a commission on the product sold. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale-boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. Track and analyze the exact source of every visitor to your affiliate links. By doing this, you can identify which marketing techniques are bringing in visitors and, more importantly, where visitors with the highest conversion rates originate. You can then concentrate your time and money on only the successful marketing techniques. One of the biggest drawbacks in affiliate marketing is overreaching. If you are overworked, you will undoubtedly begin to fail at your task, so always remember that it's best to set micro goals for each day instead of attempting to plan your itinerary weeks or months in advance. Start on the smallest of levels, micromanaging your routine, and then you can expand as you progress. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. You should always be aware of the payout structure of your affiliate product. It is fine to go with a product that generates only one payout, but products that offer recurring payments and even upsell offers are the ones you should be going after with the most gusto. You're in this game to make money. With iTunes' popularity and a large percentage of internet users listening to audio files for information, recording a podcast as an affiliate marketer is a solid way to increase your sales numbers. Hearing you speak will build more trust than simply watching your words, so do not take this tip lightly. Nobody wants to become a losing statistic. The field of affiliate marketing is very competitive, so you need to gain a competitive edge. Understanding how marketing works can help you gain that edge through useful information and direct, meaningful, intelligent action. Use what you've watched here to attack the marketplace and push your products. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.